Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Venky. Today I would like to talk about mass and weight. The reason I want to discuss these two things are we use these in our conversation every day, but we kind of mix these up and use these interchangeably. So let's start. Let's start with understanding mass and weight.
You can define mass as the amount of matter in an object. When I say matter, I mean the total molecules or atoms of a mass. So more atom, more mass. Or simply you can think of matter as the substance inside. So mass is the amount of substance or matter in an object. So what is weight? Weight is the force of gravity on that matter. So if I say that I'm 60 kgs, then it means that there is 60 kgs of matter in my body. But 60 kgs is not my weight. 60 kgs is my mass. We generally say that I weigh this much kgs in everyday conversation. For conversational usage, it may be okay, but it is not technically correct. Weight is the force of gravity on the mass. Weight is the force at which Earth pulls you down. So if I'm on Earth, then my weight is the force of gravity of Earth on me. Let me try to explain this. We all know Newton's law of gravity that says every object in the universe is attracted by every other object at a force that is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. And this is represented by this formula. Force of gravity equals G represents the universal gravitational constant. We have two masses here, m1, m2. The product of these divided by r square, where m1 is the mass of Earth, while m2 is the, let's say, my mass, and r square. R square is the distance between the two masses. Distance between the two masses. Okay, so r square is the distance from the center to the surface of Earth, where I'm sitting. So if you are on Earth, if you calculate just all these, then this simplifies to 9.8 meter per second square. So the force of gravity of Earth on me will be this number, 9.8 meter per second square, times my mass. So my weight on the surface of Earth is 9.8 meter per second square times my mass, which is, let's say, 60 kgs. And this come to 588 kilograms meter per second square. And this unit, kilograms meter per second square, is same as newtons. So my weight on the surface of Earth is 588 newtons.
So if you ever want to calculate how much of the force of gravity Earth would apply on you, you can simply multiply 9.8 meter per second square with your mass, and what you get is nothing but the weight. So the conclusion is that weight is the force of gravity on an object. So if you are on Earth, your weight is the force of gravity of Earth on you. So 588 newtons is my weight on the surface of Earth. So if I am somewhere else, say I am in the moon, then my weight will change because obviously mass of moon is not same as the mass of Earth. But my mass will be the same. My mass will be the same wherever I am in the universe. Thank you. If you found this video informative, please subscribe. Thanks for watching the video.